Hi viewers, welcome to Option Trading Ki Duniya. Today let me present you the Nifty and Bank Nifty levels for 4th February 2022. Before I proceed with my presentation, let me tell you that this video is for educational purpose only. Always use the help of certified investment professional. Now, you can see the important FII selling figure. So around 1597 crores was they have sold and DIIs have purchased. So on net to net, both are sellers. So sentiment is little bearish. Now let me come to the Nifty chart. So Nifty chart, now you can see pivot is placed around. So this is the pivot. That pivot range I have marked. Yeah, so pivot is here. Now the pivot is around 17,620 levels, and the upper range of the pivot is 17,646 central pivot range. The lower is around 626. Now the upper resistance is here, 17,722. Yeah, market closed at around 17,520. So upper resistance is around 17,722. So if the market closes higher, that is 17,642, it can all the way climb. Now Sgx levels market is around 17,581. So it is indicating a 30 to 40 points higher. So there is a chance if it opens higher, the market today may not sustain longer because FIIs, DIIs all were sellers yesterday. There can be a fall, and if there is a fall, if it does not sustain above 17,626, the market can fall all the way to 17,452. So this is the very crucial level. So that is the support. If that support breaks, then we will have 17,359. Yeah, so I am little bearish for today, and if it sustains only above 17,646, you can buy for a target of 17,722. Otherwise, it's always better today that if it opens slightly gap up, it will be sold into. So you can sell for a target of 17,452. So now let me come to the Bank Nifty chart. Very interesting chart. Yeah, because Nifty and Bank Nifty are almost slightly decoupled. Yeah. Now here you can see Nifty central pivot range. Pivot is around 39,000. So here 39,144. The upper range of central pivot range is 39,249, and the lower is 39,52. If the Bank Nifty sustains above, there is a chance of sustaining above because IT index is very weak. So therefore, Bank Nifty will support Nifty. So there is a chance that it can go all the way to 39,335. So if this resistance breaks, then there is a chance that it can go to 39,660. So 39,335 is the level to watch. And on the lower side, if it breaks 3900 or 39 to 3920, it can fall up to 38,776. So this is the major support. Yeah, For the Bank Nifty traders today, if it opens higher, that is 39,144 and above, you can buy Bank Nifty for a target of 39,335. If it opens below 3950, 3900, you can sell for a target of 38,776. Net to net, slightly the market sentiment has gone bearish. So trade cautiously, trade on paper. Yeah, do your homework. So this is the view for Nifty and Bank Nifty levels for today. Thank you for watching my channel. If you like my Bank Nifty and Nifty levels, please subscribe to my channel. Press the bell notification, you will get personal notifications. Thank you. Thank you for watching this episode. Continue to watch my channel for more such Bank Nifty levels every day. So thank you.